Hello, this is Doug Pace, Senior Captain of Marine Operations at the Florida Aquarium, and this is the Florida Aquarium's Bay Spirit 2. It's a 72-foot catamaran
that we use for wild dolphin tours, charters, port tours for Port Tampa Bay. She was built in 2009 and by Corinthian.
and currently we're getting some work done to her. Back in 2009 when she was built, there was a bit of a design flaw which caused some vibrations due to the skegs that they installed. The skegs are what you see here underneath the boat, where the shaft is running through, so it comes through inside the engine room, through the skeg to the prop. Currently we have the props off. We are here at International Ship Repair in downtown Tampa, Port Tampa Bay. Currently they have the props off, pulled the rudders. And what we're going to be doing eventually is pulling the shaft out. But before we do that, they have installed these rods where the rudders
go. So they can run a laser from up inside the engine room once we pull the shaft out, but we want to get a general measurement while the shaft is still installed at its original location.
So what will happen is we'll pull that shaft out. They're going to weld a plate of some sort, or they might just use the very tip of this rod to mark the exact location of where that shaft is coming out to make sure we get the right angle. Once the shaft comes out, we are going to remove the skeg. So we're going to be cutting it right here along the hull all the way down. Now the reason for this is so we can put eye struts in. As you can see, you have the tunnel here. This is where all the water comes across the blades of the prop. And because the skeg is there, you don't get very good water across the blades. It causes a lot of turbulence back here, which causes vibration throughout the boat. And that is it for now. We'll pick up later on as more work gets done.